Indefinite article. The indefinite article is used to talk about general things, unspecified things. The indefinite article has two forms, a and an, and both are translated as un or una. A, una. We use a when the noun starts with a consonant. An, una. We use an when the noun starts with a vowel. Bucket, bucket, a bucket. Eraser, an eraser. Book, a book. Airplane, an airplane. Chair, a chair. Marker, a marker. Ironing board, an ironing board. Table, a table. Horse, a horse. Elephant, an elephant. Gorilla, a gorilla. Actor, an actor. Accountant, an accountant. Orange, an orange. Apple, an apple. For more videos like this one, look for me on YouTube and watch more about English grammar.